Let's solve this equation on the board. I promise you that at the end of this video, you have no choice than to subscribe to our channel for more of this. Look at something here. I'm taking my time to do this, and I hope you will like it. Solution: 4 raised to the power x equals to 100 can be written as 25 times 4. We are solving for x. Now, if I divide through by 4, so that this will cancel this, I'll be left with 4 raised to the power x divided by 4 equals to 25. Now, one of the laws of indices says that if you have 10 raised to the power a divided by 10 raised to the power b, that you can comfortably write it as 10 raised to the power a minus b. So we apply it here. This is power 1. So since they have the same base, we can subtract the power there. So x minus 1, I'm applying this law, equals to 25. Here we can introduce logarithm. Log base 10 to this equals to log 25. So that x minus 1 will go to the back of the log 25. Now, look at something here. What if I try to make x minus 1 the subject by dividing through by log 4 base, by dividing through by log 4? Let me clean here. I want to make x minus 1 the subject. So if I divide through by log 4 base 10, I will have that achieved, divided by log 4 all in base 10. Now, there's somewhere I'm going. If you check, you will have that we have 25 and 4 here. So what if I write this as log 5 squared divided by log 4 squared all base 10, so that this will be 2, going back to the back of this log, 2 log 5 base 10 divided by this one 4, sorry, my mistake here, 4 is 2 squared, that 2 log 2. Now if you check, this and this will go, giving us x minus 1 equals to log 5 divided by log 2. Now we are still looking for something. Therefore, our x equals to, I'm trying to see I can make x stand alone. So you transfer minus, when this crosses over to this side, becomes plus. That will be log 5 base 10 divided by log 2 base 10, then plus 1. Can stop here. You can go further. You can apply change of base here so that everything will be in base 2. So if you know that, you have log 5 base 2 divided by log 2 base 2. I had done a video on change of base. It is on my channel now. Please check. Still on logarithm. I've done how to change base, but let me emphasize again. Log 5 base 2 and log 2 base 2. That means I have changed this to base 2. And it's equal plus 1 equals to what? X. Now log 2 base 2 is 1. So we have x as log 5 base 2 divided by 1, since this is 1 plus this. You can stop here. But in case you still want to go further, to find the real value of x, you can take this back to base 10. So that if you let us to base 2, something here. 1 can be written as log 2 base 2. This one, log to its base equals to 1. So I now have everything in base 2. Don't forget that log mn is written as log m plus log n. If that happens, we can write this as log 5 times 2. This 5 times 2, since they are this addition, the losses can multiply. Base 2 equals to x. 5 times 2 is 10, so log 10 base 2 equals to x. You can stop here. You are still correct. But in case you want to get the final answer of x, you can take this back to base 10. In that bunch you will have log 10 base 10 divided by log 2 base 10 equals to x. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 2 base 10 is 0.3010, and the value of x here is 3.3 something. Use your calculator and check. This is the value of x, the final answer. But if you stop at the previous answers I gave, you are still correct. But if you have the patience of coming down here, you are very, very correct. I'm sure you enjoyed the video, and if you have another way of solving this, let me know in the comment section. I'm also learning. You can stop it as log 5 base 2 plus 1. You can still stop it as log 10 base 2. You are still correct, or at this. So if you like what I'm doing here, like this video, share and subscribe for more of this. Bye bye.